Lying in his bed, CJ sleeps comfortably, probably dreaming about his next basketball game. Suddenly, CJ springs up from his bed and realizes that he has overslept. He rubs his eyes and focuses on his watch in disbelief. He only has 15 minutes to make it to the Civic Center for his basketball game, which is about 5 miles away. CJ wonders if he will make it in time for his game. Would he have to speed and drive over the speed limit of 35 miles per hour? He decides to use a formula to determine how fast he has to drive to make it in time. He needed to come up with an equation that would give him this answer. He used the formula for velocity, or speed, which is v equals d over t, or velocity equals distance divided by time. He substituted the variables with the information he already knew. V equals 5 miles over 15 minutes. He first had to change 15 minutes to 0.25 hours. CJ frantically worked out his equation on paper and came up with his solution. It turns out that CJ would only have to drive 20 miles per hour to get to the Civic Center in 15 minutes. CJ will not have to drive over the speed limit after all. If he drove the speed limit of 35 miles per hour, he would get there sooner and have several minutes to spare.